think that a woman does not remember pain. Childbirth is joy, it's not pain. But I would think that it's a gift because there's so many different circumstances, so many different things that could have happened. You could not have been born, I could not have been born. It's all chance, it's all circumstance, it's all a gift.
Aw, thank you, Michelle. Creation and birth.
What?
Creation and birth.
I mean, I would say, from my experience, it is something that...
Quiet.
Something that you never truly understand the value of until, for whatever reason, it doesn't happen immediately, you know? And then you really come to understand and realize how precious it is, you know? It really is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you're a mom of little Daniel.
That's right.
And he's
6.5.
and he was born on January 1st, 010101. And I'm not going to say he was a struggle, but it was a challenge.
No, but he was worth all.
But he was worth all those challenges and struggles.
That's right.
And he's the greatest gift, and he looks just like these two.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, he's the third generation.
He's the
He
third.
really
We got to bring him over here and take a picture.